along together with Mayor of Makassar from Indonesia. Mr. Mayor, your remark on climate change.
Yeah, climate change is our issues. Climate change is our problem. In Makassar, Makassar is the waterfront city. We have a problem about the sea level rise. Now we have the research about our problem about sea level rise. In 2050, the sea level rise is 1.14 meters. Yeah. And then now we have a program about the mitigation around our coastal line. We have the reclamation. The method is with the mitigation. We have the level mitigation. We call the level mitigation around our coastal line. And then in our river, we have to revitalization our river bank. Yeah. Because we have the two river.